Ever had a meme idea that you just couldn't find the perfect image for? Or maybe you want to create something entirely original that breaks the internet? Well, Midjourney is your ultimate meme factory. And today, I'll show you exactly how to craft hilarious meme art that will have your friends and followers rolling with laughter. From absurd characters to exaggerated emotions and out of context scenes, we're diving deep into the meme making madness. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to make your memes even funnier. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off by generating a hilariously over-the-top reaction face. To make sure we get the funniest and most detailed reaction, we'll use a combination of exaggerated facial features, kind of like this one, extreme close-ups, kind of like this one, and dramatic lighting, kind of like this one. So the key is to make it look like which the image that we'll be doing is in the example. Let's say a cat we use as the subject for the meme is, let's say, experiencing a world-ending catastrophe. So here, it's like shocked expression. Right here, pure horror. Right here, as if screaming, ears flattened back to enhance the fearful expression. Major highlights of the detail in this prompt. And yep, there we go. So now you have here image size. Just feel free to adjust them. Which image size do you prefer? I prefer the square aspect ratio. You wanted raw or standard? Let's go with standard right here. It's optional for you to adjust the settings that could affect the rendered images later on. So I think these are good enough. And with that, let's see what Midjourney cooks up right about now. So this is where the magic happens. Okay, so we might be expecting that's going to be quite hilarious. All right, and here it is right there. Look at that. It's quite an absolute masterpiece of feline panic right here. You could practically hear it screaming based off the rendered images. Another one right here that you're seeing right now. The eyes, the whiskers right here that you're noticing, the sheer drama. This is perfect for memes about unexpected expenses like horror movie moments or even just when someone eats your leftovers. This is meme gold, and I highly recommend saving it for your meme arsenal. So, overall, I think it's pretty good, pretty decent, and beautiful, well crafted, well generated, and I actually kind of like this one out of the four. Alright, let's take randomness to the next level. The key to a good meme is making people go, wait, what? Now, the more unexpected and ridiculous, the better. Think about the most absurd, yet oddly serious scenarios you can imagine, just like this one. And another example, let me scroll up a bit. Oh, yeah, also this one. Yeah, that was way absurd. And another one with this, yeah. So let's create one right now. So, for instance, through my prompt, I want to take something as mundane as the subject that we'll be doing is like a very serious businessman. And right here. And completely flip the script with this is by giving him the most illogical object to carry. So instead of a, let's say, a briefcase, let's give him like a right here, a bright yellow banana. An absurdly oversized bright yellow banana instead of this one right here. Yep. And to sell the meme, we'll go ultra realistic on the details, making it look as if, the scenario is just another normal day at the office. So, yep, here we go. 8K resolution, and yep, here we go. So, let's send this off right about now. Okay. There we go. The process has now started once again. Now, Midjourney right here is about to give us a businessman who looks like he's late for a high-stakes meeting, armed with nothing but potassium-powered confidence. And yep, here it is. Would you look at that? This absolute goldmine of confusion right here. So this guy looks like he's genuinely debating stock market trends while gripping a giant banana like it's the most natural thing in the world. That's oh my god, this is quite bonkers, I must say. Oh, this is kind of meme material for all those when you bring the whole presentation a wrong one that is to the meeting. These type of jokes. And yep, right here, you can just save it, caption it, and get ready to make the internet laugh. Also, yeah, there are all options right here if you want it more subtle. For example, I kind of like this one. Let's make it subtle right here. There we go. Or you could make it strong with this image right here. There we go. And yep, same image. They were rendered subtly. And with this, it would be rendered very strong. All right. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Some of the funniest memes come from totally relatable situations, but exaggerated to absurd levels. It's kind of like the ones here in these rendered images right in front of you. Me as well, right here. So this is where we turn boring everyday moments into internet comedy gold. So for example, based on our prompt right here. So think about those tiny inconveniences that feel like the end of the world. Running out of toilet paper right here in this one with our example. Here we go. Or even your phone battery dying at 1%. We're taking a small moment of panic and making it look like a full-blown cinematic disaster. The trick here is, as you can see, with our details in our prompt, like dramatic lighting and intense facial expressions. As you'll notice of our description right here and right here, say film noir style lighting with beam style composition. Yep. Now let's send this off. But before that, in a bit, maybe we could switch it to a standard or raw. Just choose whatever you like. Again, aspect ratio. Maybe we could use this one, 5:6. There we go. And now let's send this over. Boom. Now let's watch Midjourney turn an everyday inconvenience into a, let's say, Hollywood level catastrophe. Because let's be honest, when it happens, it feels like a horror movie. All right. Now, here it is. Okay. And okay. Wow. It's kind of effective with the dramatic lighting here. The sheer desperation in his eyes right there, the tragic lighting. This is quite the meme that was waiting to happen. You can just slap on like a quote like when they're realizing there's no toilet paper and all, and you have viral hit. And here's another one, and another one. Also, you might give it for another batch if you're not satisfied with either of these rendered images Midjourney has provided for you. Again, it would take a bit while, but not too long for the process to complete. Just wait it out. All right. Here's another one. Okay. Yep. Here's one. Here's another one. And another one. No. Okay. And another one right here. I kind of like this one a bit more. And yeah, here it is. That's how you can use Midjourney to generate some of the funniest memes on the internet. Whether you're exaggerating expressions, mixing absurd elements, or creating brand new meme formats, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, everybody, see you all in the next video. Bye!